Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to draw Rumi step by step in a very easy and fun way. This drawing is so, grab your pencil, relax, and draw along with me. We start with some very light guidelines using a pencil. These guidelines will help us place everything correctly, so remember, do not press too hard. You can always erase later. Now we add the eye guidelines. Pay attention to the distance between the eyes. This will help the drawing look balanced. And cute. Next, we draw the eyes. One eye will be open and the right eye will be closed, like a friendly wink. Take your time and keep your lines soft and simple. Now, we draw the mouth. Just a small curved line to give Rumi a sweet and calm expression. Next, we shape the face and add the ears. Use smooth curves and keep everything nice and round. Now we draw the hair guidelines using the pencil. These lines will help us understand where the hair will go before drawing the final shapes. We begin drawing the hair slowly, following the guidelines we made. No rush, this part is all about having fun. Now, we start the ponytail by drawing the base first. Keep it simple and light. Next, we draw the front part of the body and the arms, only the visible parts, using easy shapes. Now we finish the ponytail hair, adding a little movement and flow to it. We erase the guidelines carefully and clean up the drawing. You can add a few extra details if you like, but keep it simple. And here we go. This is the final result. You have drawn Rumi step by step using a pencil. Great job for finishing the drawing. If you enjoyed this video, you can ask for another character in the comments. Thank you for drawing with me, and I will see you in the next video.